Hey, Brian from Garage Mahal. Today we are working on a 2019 Acadia Denali. We are replacing the wiper blades, which I know everybody has a little bit of problems putting them on or taking them off. Anyway, we're going to be using the Rain-X Latitude water repellency. 22-inch on the driver's side, 20-inch on the passenger side, and I always go to the Rain-X ones. I find them to be the best. And especially it has the magic of Rain-X, so it does put like that Rain-X coating on there, so it does help bead the water off on top of the wiper, so it's kind of like having dual wiper blades basically. Anyway, so let's get this old one off first. And every wiper blade is a little bit different, but on some of these new ones you just take and pop this piece up, and then this will slide back, and then that comes off, and that's your old wiper blade. I'll just put that up here because it doesn't slide, which seems like it's just going to be sliding all over the place. Hang on 1 sec, we'll leave that up here. I've got this pack open. And this is your 22-inch blade, and I always like to compare just to make sure that you do have the right size. So this one looks a little shorter, but we'll put that on. Alright, so obviously open it up, read the directions, see what type of wiper you have, and for mine, we open this clip up, since we have this hook, and then we are sliding this arm in, and then it snaps into place, and then we are just basically snapping that piece back in, and then that wiper is completely installed. So let's go on to the other side. And then same thing, we lift up on this piece here. Might need a tool, so let's get our leverman out again. And then we just pop that piece out there. And then that old wiper will slide right out. Then we have our new one. And same thing, just open that piece up here. And then we put the arm in, and then pull it back. It'll snap into place, and then we just lock that down till you hear it click, and then we are good to go. I'm going to take all our old wipers out of the way, and it does have a protective cover on it. So you want to basically slide that out of both wipers, and then you're good to go. Anyway, Brian from Garage Mahal. That's how you put in your new windshield wipers. Be safe out there.